Admin of the I.S.I group, and today we're having a private tutorial online for the benefit of those who have traveled, so they can also learn. So the first class for the private tutorial will be posted on the group. It will be general, while the second one will be on the private group for the private students. So today we are going to be learning about sequence and series (AP), talking about how to solve deep problems in AP and GP. So first of all, what is a sequence? I want to talk about sequence. I'm talking about the list of objects or list of things in a well-defined order, or that follows a precise governed principle. Understand? So we have different types of sequences. We have the exponential sequence, we have the arithmetic sequence, we have the harmonic sequence. But for our level now, we are going to be looking at the linear sequence, which is known as AP, and the exponential sequence, which is known as GP. So let's take a question. Alright, the sum of the second and the sixth equals the sum of the second and the fifth term of an AP is 42. If the difference between the sixth and third term is 12, find the A common difference first term and 20th term. Alright, according to the standard way of calculating, always write down all the formulas that we're using in that question. But because of the mini size of my board, I'm going to be I'll be jumping some steps. So just bear with me as I'm using it orally to explain. Okay, I'm going to have the basic formula, which is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 and d. Alright, this is the basic formula. So they said the sum of the second and the fifth term of an AP, an arithmetic progression or a linear sequence. Remember, when we talk about the second term, I would have started using this formula to explain how to use the second term and to find the fifth term of an AP, but because of time, I'm just going to be writing it now. So we have T2 plus T5 is equals to 42. Okay? Alright, T2 is also known as A plus D plus T5 is A plus 4D. Don't worry about that. Sorry, I would have explained how I got that. But once you use this formula, you surely get to this. Is equals to 42. Okay, here's an equation. Alright, so we can solve. A plus A will give us 2A plus 5D is equals to 42. We call this equation 1. Alright, the second question says if the difference between the sixth and the third term is 12, so we have T6 minus T3 is equals to 12. Alright, T6 is A plus 5D minus A plus 2D is equals to 12. Alright, we can actually solve now. So we have A, and this A will move on. Sorry for using that, I would have used the other marker so that we can explain better. Alright, this will cancel this. So we are left with 5D and 2D, which is 7D is equals to 12. Alright, 5D plus 2D is 7D. Okay, so 7D is equals to 12. Alright, so 5D plus 2D is 7D. We divide by the coefficient of D, and the coefficient of D is 7. So D is equals to 12 over 7. Okay, that should give me decimal. Bracket. Then also put this in a bracket. Alright, so A plus 5D is also an A plus 5D. A plus 5D. Or minus times A is minus A. Or minus times plus will give us minus 2D. This is equals to 12. Okay, as I said, this will cancel this. Then 5D minus 2D will give us 3D is equals to 12. So we have D 12 divided divided by 3, that should be 4. So we have our common difference as 4. So we have solved for the first one. So let's go to the second question. Alright, this was our equation 1. So we have gotten our D4, which is our common difference. So we are going to substitute D into equation 1 to get our A. So we have 2A plus 5 into 4 is equals to 42. So we have 2A plus 20, 5 times 4, 4 times 5, that should be 20, is equals to 42. So we have 2A is equals to 42 minus 20. So we have 42 minus 20, that should give us 22. So we have 2A is equals to 22, A is equals to 11. Alright, so we have gotten our first thing, we have gotten our common difference. So we are asked to find the 20th thing. So we have 220 is equals to A plus 19D. This is the formula for the 20th thing. Alright, so we have our A is equals to 11 plus 19 into 4. So we have 11 plus 19 times 4. That's 76. Okay, so 76 plus 11. 76 plus 11. That's 87. So our 220 is equals to 87. Alright, that is our 20th thing. So we found therefore the common difference D is equals to 4. That is A. Our first term B, A is equals to 11, and C, our 20th term 220 is equals to 87. Alright, thank you very much. I'm stopping here for today because of time and due to our next class I'll be explaining more how we can use binomial theorem on AP. Then we go to GP. Alright, thank you very much. Once again, people, admin of I.S.I. Thank you.